Oh God, it's Songkran. What are we going to do? I think we need an MRI. Yes, definitely need an MRI. Ooh. Trying to do this one-handed, man, that's a bit difficult. We make challenges for ourselves. But yeah, it's Songkran and we're going to go and do battle. Yeah. God, these things never open when you want them to. Yeah, so it's a bit odd. You keep them every year. You buy these water guns and everything else, and like you go, where are they? Where have they been hidden this time? Mum, she's a great filer, but you know, wherever she files things, it never makes sense to me. So I've given up. I'm just going to wait for Chanya to get out of the bathroom and we'll get going. I'm sure she knows where they are. Cheers. So Chanya tells me there's a place it's a place we've been to before called Duba Cafe. It's about maybe 30 minutes north of us here, on the other side of Salaya. A nice little cafe restaurant thing, but it's got a big, big party on. So, well, let's go out there. Good start for the day. But yeah, no, I'm just going through the mental notes here and what electronic devices have I got that's going to stuff up. Now, my GoPro's only, 5 years old or 4 years old. The on-off button, that's decayed, so it's probably not waterproof anymore, so that's a negative. The last phone I bought, that wasn't IP68, so that's an issue as well, but I can usually get a pouch for that. I've put the electronic key for the car into its own separate plastic bag in my pocket. I've got a couple of plastic bags ready to go if we need to put something in dry dock for an emergency, if you know what I mean. So I think we're pretty covered. These are the sort of things you've got to go through, and you're going to go out and do battle in the streets of Thailand, especially if you go looking for the water floats, that is. Talk about lucky car spot. I just dropped her off the edge there, and I probably have to walk up the end, but no, we got right in front. How is that? Lucky for some. Yeah, so this Duba Cafe is like a petting farm. There's all these animals that you can interact with. I can see some sheep and some goats. Well, I think it's all sheep there at the moment. But yeah, we've been here before. It's a lovely place. Nicely overgrown with nice green canopies and everything else. It really is a very comfortable place to hang out. Okay, darling. Now in Thailand, we not say Thai people not say water fight. What they say?
สาดน้ำเล่นน้ำ
เล่นน้ำ and สัดน้ำ
สาดน้ำเล่นน้ำ
So เล่นน้ำ is play and สัดน้ำ is
เฮ้ย
splash สัดน้ำ like splash water. Okay. Yeah, it's an interesting language. Like it's the Westerners have actually brought the water fight into the mechanics of it. It's water play. I don't think it's probably half the problem is the fact that Westerners have constantly sort of, enforced this water fight mentality. Yeah, okay, so there's water guns, but again, where's our guns? We're just coming here to play and socially interact and have a bit of fun. That's what you do. Okay. This is for our thumbnail, of course, you smile now. Okay, we make another one with the water fight. We don't know yet. And again, you won't find too many tourists. Oh, as I spoke too soon. A Farang, or a Westerner at least, anyway. I'm sure I miss half the Farangs that actually have an Asian origin. Thailand is very multicultural when it comes to that. But, I couldn't tell it between Chinese, Korean, Filipino and a Thai. But I think I got my eye on Thais, but again, I'm not the sort of guy that goes looking. But yeah, here we are. It's a bit of a petting zoo, man. Yeah. Friend you. Yeah, this will also go on our travel video sort of playlist as well. It's far enough out of the city that would make a short, day trip for most people. But for us, it's only 40 minutes from home. Wait.
I think you have too small when you play.
Oh, small gun, yeah. Yeah, so like James Bond. Okay, I can get like James Bond. Need a black gun there. Need a PPK. Whoop. And where are we now? Unfortunately, they've got commercial music playing, which makes it even harder for me to actually shoot the Satnam and the Landnam. And I think with that particular piece of track that they're putting in the background, I think it's 5 seconds before the algorithm sits in. So they've got a lot of jump cuts, man. But yeah, Duba, Duba Songkran Festival. And of course the men now and the start now, really it is a kids game. You know, there are a few adults being involved in it, but the kids just love it. And of course on a day like today when it's like 40 degrees in the sun, 40 degrees in the shade, yeah. Not quite sure why what the problem is with their music system, but well, anyway, see how we go. Well, here we are. We've got our land now. I'm here. All the kids are playing, so there you go. It's like we're only here just to get a bit of scenery with the water play and everything else. And I'm competing with the guys over there, which makes it even harder. So we'll probably just mosey along to the next spot and show you around the place. Okay, where we go? Oh, more photos. Okay. Hi.
One more.
Yeah, so the water fights are there, but for us, you know, like, as I said, Chanya's a working girl. She works 6 days a week.
Ice cream.
Oh, I want ice cream, darling.
I don't know ice cream.
You want ice cream? I think I want ice cream, okay. But it does look like there's about a 30-minute wait for the ice cream alone. Let's wander around, see what else we can find, okay? For us, this time of the year is a chance where we can actually spend 3 or 4 days together without being interrupted with work. It is really quite one of those special moments for the two of them. The only other time is really around New Year where she gets a few days off. Yeah, she can get sporadic days off on the occasions if we have to, but don't forget, every time she takes a day off, that's a day's salary that she misses out on, you know? It's always one of those toss-up things, salary or have fun, really. Doesn't look like we have a very long queue here, so we're going to get, it looks like their signature coconut milk ice cream, coconut flake with coconut ice cream milk, coconut milk ice cream, butterfly pea sticky rice, and Thai dessert. Oh my goodness, sounds like it's absolutely delicious and like so many calories.
While him want to eat ice cream, but first go in the shop, have a lot of people, and now just eat Thai style ice cream. This one to say ice cream kaki with the coconut and stick. You see? Him like a baby. Him want ice cream.
One nut, one
But-
peanuts.
Up to you. Him like a baby. He want to eat anything. Now I think him happy. You can look with the face. I think when him move, him smile. He like a baby. He have his smile.
Says I can use the wooden spoon
What
for
is
it
this?
and share like this. Okay,
Wow.
60 baht. You want to try?
Yeah. I want to try.
Have peanuts. Have everything. What you think? Okay.
Good. What? Yeah.
Good. Cool down now. You see? Yes, nice pond. Yes, this place is famous for its lily ponds. So yeah, you can always look it up. And Duba Cafe. I'll have a map pin down below. Here's me. I think my tongue is a bit numb from that ice cream. But yeah, it's a nice little petting zoo. Great to bring the kids out. It's a little family, sort of very family-focused place. And the food is lovely. What do we got? We got goats that way, and we got mini zoo. We go down the mini zoo. Have a look. Kids everywhere. And I think there's a few fish in there. Honey, I shrunk the horses. This poor lad, he thinks he's itchy. Hello.
เนี่ยนี่ท่านชอบ
สวัสดีครับ
ท่านชอบเลยตัวเท่ากัน
What else? Looks like this is the boss in here. Look at the size of his horns. Straight out of the pages of Eliphas Levi. Come here. We have games on, but not Star Citizen, okay? No, just games on for children, okay? Not Star Citizen
Not
game.
for you,
Not Star Citizen, okay? Here we go. Nice little pond area. Yes, they've got little boats you can paddle around in as well. It's a lot of exercise. Yeah, I'll just stick to my walking machine. Yes, they have little craft studios. You can come out here and do beadwork and things like that, if that's your sort of thing. It's almost tropical when you think about it. Oh, you might notice I'm laying in music in the back now. Why? Well, I bought a Suno license so I can make my own now. I don't have to worry about YouTube shit, okay? Make just the right type of tunes for the right background music. That's what you can do when you'll start to learn AI. Don't forget, I have a new AI channel. You can check that out and come and join us. It's a new tribe teaching people AI. AI for the common person. AI for the common person. AI for the common person. And the scenery itself is not too bad either. We're going the wrong way. Even better. This place is supposed to be sort of, well known for its lily ponds. And from memory, I thought that's where the lily ponds were, on the outside edges. But yeah, I don't see it anywhere. Hello, we have Randy here. Which one's this one?
Reindeer, wake up.
Prancer, Dancer, Donna, Vixen. I can't remember the other four names.
Not wake up, darling.
Haven't done Christmas for so long, really. Well, maybe they serve venison here. You never know.
Darling, you want one? I can buy for you one.
You think this one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think not devil enough, darling.
Very good for you.
No.
You believe me.
Yes, the place has ducks and geese and all sorts of things. Yeah. Oh, I lost my girl. As I've indicated before, I'm no travel vlogger. I don't know what travel vloggers they talk about when they do their travel videos. Me, I'm just a tourist when it comes to these things. I just like to look around and just take it all in. One of the best things I think about being a vlogger is the fact that I can go back and review these videos as many times as I want. Raw footage and all that sort of stuff. That's half the fun of this game. And that's another thing, because you're always filming.
You buy me for one.
You want a goat? No, we don't want a goat, darling. Yeah, it'll eat everything, darling. It'll eat everything. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You want to say hello? Good. And where was I going with that? I've completely lost track of what I was saying now. Right, they're escaping.
She number one, she want to walk.
Yeah, this one, I think they escape. They do that. That's like the tourist thing. Right. What are you supposed to do?
Buy something.
Oh, for the food. Buy the food. Okay, yes, of course. San Franciscan. What is San Franciscan? That's something to do with, I have no idea. Okay, some sort of coffee place. Strange looking contraption here. There's nobody inside, but I think they make no, I can't tell what they're doing here. What is it? It says the San Franciscan Roaster Company. Alright, so we got, I have no idea. Maybe we're just supposed to ignore those sort of things because she's got no idea either. This is the tourist part, as I said. When it comes to these travel vlogs or these travel points, what are you saying? I don't know what you're supposed to do. I'm just taking you along. It's like, you're just coming with us, okay? I think that might be lily ponds there as well, just judging from the leaves. But yeah, it's very hard to tell. It's very overgrown with the green stuff. You get wildlife running around everywhere. Hello. Meek rats. Meek rats. Hello, meek rats. Oh, look, I want one. Look, if you want a pet, I want one of these, okay? I think
Oh
these are
my
cute.
God.
These ones are cute.
ยิมคิวยิม make computer you
Sorry, I locked, the door.
Crash.
I locked the door. It's okay, don't worry.
no I bring three
Oh, yeah.
Sleeps gently floating.
Oh, hold on a second. I got my bloody ChatGPT talking in my bucket. Making little noises there. Do not touch, do not touch, do not touch. But they're cute anyway. In fact, the only negative I've got about this place is too damn fucking hot. It's really hot today, even in the shade. Well, there is stepping stones. I don't know where I'm going to. There's some sort of water container up there. Oh, I think that's another little bit of park. I think we saw that as we came in, didn't we? Yes. I think I'm at the edges. At the edges now. And the little shops you find around the place are always quite 119 baht for a pizza. I noticed this little oven over here. A little mini pizza oven. So cute, so cute. There it is. It's just starting now. And that's his little mini pizzas. Very good. Watching them carefully make the food. Yummy. Stack of pancakes. Yes, yes.
ร้อน
Okay, lawn ma. So here's a question for you. Now, we had a really healthy breakfast. If you didn't see the breakfast this morning, it's the video before this one. Yeah, if you have a healthy breakfast, are you allowed to eat junk food for lunch? I don't know. This is a quandary I'm here in Thailand. Like, we have no rules here. You can do anything you really want. Can you have sweet for lunch if you have a healthy breakfast? That's a good question. What do you think, darling? You like the place? Very relaxing. Very relaxing. Yep. Sabai, sabai. She's okay. She's got some junk food. Her little pork skewers. At a pinch, yeah. Junk food here is easy to get. But yeah, that's what I call a nice passion fruit smoothie. It's very smooth. Yeah. Oh, wow. So yeah, guys, this is our Songkran. This is probably second reel, I suppose. We'll be just wrapping it up here very, very shortly and heading home, and I'll stitch this one together and get this one out tonight. This is the whole idea. Let's just flood the whole idea, whole thing this week is just the clips of what we do on Songkran. Normally you only get the highlights. Let's just give you the whole thing, okay? ที่รักไปไหน Wait for what? Wait, you ready yet?
no
No. Wait first. โพสอะไร
Sonya
Sonya, hello Sonya.
hello Sonya
You Gemini, yeah, Miss Gemini, yes.
Gemini
Okay, honey, so what's the next thing on the agenda? She probably doesn't know the word agenda. What we do next?
next now
Next now, yeah.
I'm not sure, maybe go Sonya she stay somewhere I
Okay.
think to say hi
Go see Sonya, okay.
Sonya she have two house Nakhon Pathom
Oh, yeah.
and now
yeah.
she stay in Nakhon Pathom
Yeah. Okay, so she have two houses now. Oh, well. Yeah.
to say hi
We go stop and say hello. So we'll wrap this one up here. If there's anything we can shoot out there, then we will probably start reel number 3. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, we've got all the links down below. If you want to follow us, join our Discord, all that sort of stuff, Patreon links, all that sort of stuff down below. You're quite welcome to join the tribe. Peace out, guys. Have fun.
have fun bye bye